Hi guys, it's just a quick video to show you how you're going to set up your Amazon Prime account. I'm sure many of you know this, but just for those who don't, Amazon Prime is a very important part of this business because obviously it's going to be very fast and effective delivery, and for the low cost of $7.99 a month. Otherwise, if you were to do this, you'd have to pay delivery on each and every single item that you sell. And I know delivery costs can sort of be between £1 to £3, so that is obviously a big margin that you're cutting out right there. So to start with, you want to go to Amazon, make sure it's amazon.co.uk. That's if you're in the UK, of course. And then new customer, start here. So we just want to fill these out quickly. Now, once you're in and you set up your account, you're gonna want to join Prime. There'll be a lot of advertisement for Prime anyway, all over the page. So we just want to go try Prime. Start your 30-day free trial. Then after that, it will be just $7.99 a month. And here you want to edit in your card details. Just using a virtual card here as well, so it's just the example for you. Then you're just going to want to fill in your address here and your telephone number. Use this address, and that will take you through to then Amazon Prime. And there we are. Then you have your Prime account, and it's ready to be linked up through easync to your eBay. But we'll get onto that in the next couple of videos.